Hi friends, I'm Trek. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a long text effect like this on your Canva. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this long text effect on your Canva, just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, just click on the app section in the Canva. Then you can just need to search as these Canva apps like a Play Store inside the Canva. So you just need to add this text maker. Just type as text maker here. And after, just click on the search option and you can find this app on the first portion called text maker. Click on this and just add it up. So you just need to find this, while just clicking here, you can find, you just need to add this to your, so actually I just added to my Canva here. So this is how you just add it, and here you just need to type as long, or you can find this option on the first place, this font. Click on this font. Now here just going to type as Tilak. So you can just make a small letter or caps, so caps look better. So I just go with my name in the caps. So now you just need to change, you can just change the font. So there's a lot of the more font, so the bold font will be look better. And this is the alignment and text height, and also the letter spacing can be adjusted. And the shadows, if you just need an inner shadow or if you just need an outer shadow, you can just enable it by using this option. And also go to the customize color. So the full color, which is the white color on the top, you can just change this by click on the top option, just going to the red color shade and just changing this to a blue color. You can see it's changing around that. So it's just going to pink color. So by this, using this option, you just need to change everything, so it will be look great actually. So it's just going to change this like this, and here it's just going to with a blue shade. And after creating this and click on the add design, that's it. And you have this quality check here. You can just low or medium. I just go with the mediums. Just click on the add design. So your long text design has been added. So this is how I just created this long text design on Canva. You can just create like this as usual. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.